morning, my honorable teachers and my dear friends.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers who gave me a golden opportunity to speak in front of you. Myself, Vipasha, I am pursuing global spoken English. I live in Ghosi. Today my topic is importance of education. Before starting my topic, I would like to say some line in Hindi. श्रद्धा ज्ञान देती है, नम्रता मान देती है. श्रद्धा ज्ञान देती है, नम्रता मान देती है, योग्यता स्थान देती है. पर तीनों मिल जाए तो व्यक्ति को जीवन में हर जगह सम्मान देती है. So now I would like to share my thoughts about importance of education. Education is very, very important to all of us. Our home is our first school. Our parents are our first teachers, where we learn how to behave to others. So, school education is very important to all of us. Through school education, we learn, develop our personality, moral and physical our powers. It provides us various types of knowledge and skills. It is a continuous process, which starts when we take width and inch. Now, I would like to finish my topic. Before finishing my topic, I would like to some line in English. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. शिक्षा की जड़ें कड़वी होती हैं, लेकिन फल मीठा होता है. Now I would like to finish my topic. Thanks for listening.